So we need to expand and simplify this set of brackets here. Okay, so to do this, I'll start off by multiplying two brackets. So if I pick these two here, we can expand those first. So to do that, you essentially have to multiply every term in one bracket with every term in the other bracket. So I'm going to start off with the first terms here. So 3x multiplied by 2x should give us 6x squared. If I do the outside terms next, 3x multiplied by 1 is going to be 3x. The inside terms, so 2x multiplied by 2 is going to be 4x. And lastly, the last constant terms at the end, so 2 multiplied by 1, giving us 2. So now I can just copy down this bracket here, giving us x minus 5. But before I carry out the expansion of these two brackets, I'm going to simplify this down a bit, because we can collect like terms. So there's only one x squared term, so that's going to stay the same. And there's two x terms, so we can just add them together. 3x plus 4x is going to be 7x. And we've only got one constant term at the end, plus 2, so that's going to stay the same. Again, to expand these brackets, we're multiplying every term in one bracket by every term in the other. So we're going to start here. We're going to do x multiplied by 6x squared, which should give us 6x cubed. Then x multiplied by 7x, giving us 7x squared. X multiplied by 2x, giving us 2x. So I'm going to move on to the minus 5 term here. So minus 5 multiplied by 6x squared should give us, so minus 5 times 6 is minus 30. And we've got the x squared as well. Minus 5 times by 7x here. Minus 5 times by 7 is minus 35. And we've got an x there as well. And then the constant terms at the end, 2 times minus 5, giving us minus 10. Okay, so now we can do what we did last time and combine like terms. So we've only got one x to the power of 3 term. So that's going to stay the same. We've got two x squared terms. So we can combine those. So do 7x squared minus 30x squared. Give us minus 23x squared. So I've used this term, and this term. So now we've got two x terms. So 2x minus 35x gives us minus 33x. So we've used these terms as well. And we're just left with a minus 10 on the end by itself, giving this here as our fully simplified final expansion. So we get our first mark here for taking the product of two of the brackets. We got our second mark here for then multiplying out the remaining brackets. And then the final mark here for getting a completely correct expansion.